I told you, a proven sales system all internet marketers and online entrepreneurs have in common and use to sell more products and courses. After working for a few years online, I'm here to clarify and save you much time and tell you the top secret. First, I want to dive into a topic that I believe is one of the misunderstood subjects in the business world, which is affiliate marketing. Many people have misconceptions about what affiliate marketing truly entails. Some view it as a get-rich-quick scheme, while others see it as too complicated or risky. The reality is quite different. Affiliate marketing is an incredibly effective way to earn full income if approached with the right understanding and proven sales system. Here is the secret: all internet marketers focus on one big dominant that makes them six figures. They have a customers list, how they do it and how they build it. Step 1. Funnel, generate leads and sell products on autopilot. Funnel is the secret to your online business to sell more. With a funnel, you can build a tribe and make customers come to you and buy. You can run paid ads from Google, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or organic traffic from these stable platforms to bring them to your products. Build a funnel that converts like crazy and sell to the starving market. You can launch a funnel that is extremely simple and straight to the point. The more you tell people on your funnel, the less exciting it is. Then choose an attention-grabbing headline to attract leads, like "Discover the secret." You can use ClickFunnels, Thrive, Architect, or lead pages and have something of value in your funnel to attract subscribers. A subscriber is not just a name or an email address. It is an untapped potential waiting to be turned into a paying customer. For instance, banks, telecom companies, membership sites, and big startups get response. Amazon, eBay focus on building a customers list. They have 10,000, 20,000, 70,000 and millions who became customers and repeated clients who buy again and again. If they send a newsletter using an autoresponder, these subscribers will buy and pay money. As soon as people opt into your funnel, they are ready to buy an OTO, which is a one-time offer you present when they immediately subscribe, which is super amazing. It is your job to sell them, which means they download your ebook or watch a video. Step 1. They have first find your funnel, reading your content, and you are able to solve their problems. Then they click the link to check it out. Next, they have to type on their email address, which means they have a problem and desperately want a solution. They have to click the big shiny send button. There is no turning back. If your funnel is about how to get rid of acne, you will get leads and sales. People are desperate. They want a solution now, so try to give it to them. Put an audio immediately and watch as the sales compiling in. The health niche is not like other niches. We are dealing with desperate people who want solutions right now. If someone goes to a page that says insert your email address if you want to get rid of acne, and he does it, if you haven't started building your funnel and your list, let me tell you, you are missing out a big time. Your list is the number one reason to make the money with the funnel. Email is the easiest and fastest way to make consistent profit in your business. To build your list, you need traffic. The more traffic, the better. But don't worry about that, because if you build a list of loyal subscribers, you will never worry about driving traffic to your online courses, books, offers, and coaching programs. Once you have built a funnel and built your list, you will need to turn subscribers into into customers and get response is the best email marketing autoresponder out there that helps you write automated newsletters to your list and send them to your subscribers' inboxes easily, safely, and quickly. They will open your email and decide to buy. Now imagine this, you have a funnel that is designed to solve a problem in the starving market health niche, and you have got your first 300 subscribers, and if 100 of them bought a product that costs $20 profit each, you earn $2,000. Now you are making consistent profits. If you keep nurturing that email list, you make more. It doesn't matter if you have a big list or small list. There is one crucial concept that often goes unspoken in the world of sales. No matter what you are selling, whether it is an affiliate product or similar product or high-ticket item, gaining the trust of your prospect who joins your funnel is important before they will even consider making a purchase. Most people fail to turn subscribers into buyers because they simply don't know how to sell. Selling is the most important skill you will even learn on your entrepreneurial journey. Once you know how to sell, everything becomes significantly simpler. You can attract customers and effectively communicate the value of your product and turn a $10 low-ticket product into a six-figure business. You can also scale your business. The secret to selling through email is very simple. You just need this proven sales system to earn income online. Imagine this, if you spend your time chasing butterflies, they will fly away. But if you spend your time making a beautiful garden, the butterflies will come. The same principle applies to sell. Stop chasing leads and try hard to sell. What if I told you the top secret they hide from you? Building an autopilot business is really hard, but having someone to show you a proven step-by-step sales system makes it easier for you and save you tons of time. Remember, people buy from those they trust, and to build trust, you have to give trust. This proven sales system shows you a secret formula where the brain starts responding positively with stories and stops for a few seconds and say, wow, this person has something good to say, and they wait for your next newsletter and click to open and buy. The cool thing, anybody can do this, and I will show you how to persuade those subscribers and make them give you the money and engage with you. As soon as you get this proven sales system, you will find neither tricks, no hacks, no flops, no gimmicks, just a proven sales system to sell products while you sleep. I don't want to charge you $67 to get this product, and I will never sell it for $57. I want to sell it for a reasonable price. This is one of the most powerful sales systems out there to get people to buy from you. Here is what you will find inside. The key to selling products effortlessly, a commission system that generates full-time income on autopilot while you sleep. How to funnel people off of a massive $29 billion per year platform. Even the most successful marketers on the planet rely on most. How to fill your webinar funnel with consistent leads and sell more products. How to use this proven sales system to sell products and make people want to connect and buy from you. Discover an advanced marketing strategy to attract tons of traffic and leads and sell without doing anything. How does an internet master this strategy and scale his business? Discover how to sell any product using this system and without being salesy. And also the secret to filling your funnel without doing any hard work. So see you inside and learn the secrets of affiliate marketing.